Hello students, this is the worksheet for grade 1. This is unit 3, chapter 1, from page 102 until 116. This is lesson 1, page 102. Let's start. Everything around you is matter. Toys and blocks are matter. Toys and blocks are matter. Some matter is solid. Solid matter keeps its shape. Solid matter keeps its shape. Wood is a solid matter, and ice also is a solid matter. Some matters are lighter than others. You can classify them by weight. You can classify matter by weight. For example, we have this picture here. As you can see, this apple is heavier than this orange. The orange is lighter than the apple. That means we can classify matter by what? By weight. We can classify matter by weight. Okay, let's move on. We have 3 matters here. Do you see these 3 pictures? Let's talk about them. Some matters are bigger than others. You can sort them by size. You can sort them by what? By size. Okay, the size of this picture is bigger than the size of this picture. The size of this picture is smaller than the size of this picture, which means that matter can be sorted by size. We can talk about matter and solve them by size. Okay. Some matters have different colors. You can classify them by what? By color. You can classify matter by color. We have a lot of toys here in this plate. We have a lot of toys and they are matter. For example, this yellow duck, the color is yellow. And these toys are green. These toys are purple. These toys are orange. This matter is red. So we have a lot of matter with a different color. That means we can sort and classify matter by what? By color. We can classify matter by color. Good. Let's move on. Okay, that's a question for us. Let's solve this. Let's solve this question. Look at the picture and choose the right sorting. Let's choose the correct sorting. Okay, let's choose the correct sorting. We have 3 words: size, weight, and color. Okay, let's look at this picture here. This picture, we have a child here that's sorting those matters. She is sorting these matters. She is sorting the balls by color. As you can see, we have a plate here that's filled with blue balls. This one with pink balls. This one with red balls, yellow and green. That means she is sorting matter by what? By color. Okay, let's write it down. By color. This one is, the correct answer is color, because she is sorting the balls by color. The second one, we have a picture here. What is the answer? This is weight. Sorting matter by weight. By weight, because we have a bag here that's lighter than a PlayStation controller. This PlayStation controller is heavier than this bag. So the answer for this one is by weight. By weight. Okay, let's move on. This picture, some rocks are bigger than others. These rocks are smaller than these rocks. So we can classify these matters by what? By size. The answer to this one is by size. Okay, very easy. Very easy. Let's move on. Okay, let's go to lesson 2. Here we have lesson 2, page 108. Matter that flows is called liquid. Matter that flows is called liquid. The shape of a liquid changes. The shape of liquid changes. Water is a liquid. Milk is a liquid. Juice is a liquid. Vinegar is also a liquid. Also, oil is a liquid. Okay, simply whatever you can drink is called a liquid. You can drink water, that means it's a liquid. You can drink orange juice, that means it's a liquid. You can drink oil, that means it's a liquid. But you shouldn't drink oil, okay? Just because you can drink it, that doesn't mean you should drink it. Milk is a liquid. You can drink it and you should drink it because it's good. Okay. Liquid takes the shape of the container you pour it into. If you pour liquid into a tube, it takes up the shape of the tube. If you put liquid in a teapot, it takes the shape of the teapot. If you put liquid in a glass, for example this glass here, you put water inside it, which is a liquid, the water takes the shape of the glass. If you pour water inside your stomach, the water takes up the shape of your stomach. Easy. Did you notice how water took the shape of the above containers? Do you see how water is taking up the shape of these containers? Can you see? It's very clear, very obvious. Here's another information. Some liquids mix with water. Some liquids mix with water. For example, vinegar mixes with water. This picture here, this is a mixture of vinegar with water. This is vinegar and water mixed together. They are mixed together. But this picture, oil does not mix with water. Do you see the oil above? It does not mix with the water below. They are separated because oil cannot mix with water. Oil with water. Do you see? The yellow is oil and the blue is water. They do not mix. Gases are also matter. A gas does not have a shape of its own. Gases, they do not have shape of their own. It spreads out. Gases spread out. It spreads out to fill its container and takes its shape. It fills the container and takes the shape of the container. For example, the balloons, these balloons here, the balloons are filled with gas. The balloons are filled with what? With gas. These balloons, they are filled with gas. Some liquids contain gases. Some liquids contain gases. For example, this picture here, I think this is a picture of a Coca-Cola that contains gas. You can feel it. You can see it. That some liquids like Coca-Cola, they contain what? They contain gas. They contain gas. Okay, let's move on. Water vapor is gas. Water vapor is gas. Do you see this kettle here? When you put it on fire, the water becomes a gas. The water becomes a gas. And we call this gas water vapor. Water vapor is a gas. Smoke is a gas. When you burn something with fire, you can see smoke. Smoke is a gas. You cannot see most gases, but you can see what they do. That means you can feel gases, but you cannot see them. A lot of them you cannot see. A fan makes air blow your hair. For example, we have a fan here. The fan is pushing the air and it makes your hair to blow. You cannot see the air, but you can feel it. It's pushing your face. It's pushing and blowing your hair. Okay, for example, wind. Wind, which is also a gas, a moving gas, moving air. Wind are moving air, makes the branches of trees to shake. Winds are moving air, makes the branches of trees to shake. For example, we have this tree here. It's shaking, it's moving. Why? Because the wind is moving it. The wind is moving it. Although we cannot see the wind, but we can see how it makes the tree to shake. We can see how it makes the tree to shake. Matter has 3 states. We have three states of matter. We talked about all the states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. These are the three states of matter. Very easy. Let's move on. Let's answer some questions. Answer the following questions. Fill the blanks with the given words. We have 4 words: liquid, solid, matter, and gas. Okay. Everything around you is what? Everything around you is matter. Everything around you is matter. That's the correct answer. Everything around you is what? It is matter. Matter that flows, the second one, matter that flows is called a what? Matter that flows is called a liquid. Matter that flows is called a liquid. Matter that flows is called a liquid. Easy. Let's go to the third question. The state of matter that keeps its shape is called... What is the state of matter that keeps its shape? Solid is the correct answer. Solid. Solid, it's a state of matter that keeps its shape. Very easy. Solid is the state of matter that keeps its shape. Let's go to the fourth question, the final question. The balloons are filled with what? They are filled with gas. Very easy. The balloons are filled with what? They are filled with gas. As you can see, the balloons are filled with gas. Let's solve another question. This is matching. Match the following pictures. Match the following pictures. We have a lot of pictures, 6 pictures here. That's our pictures. And we have 3 states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. Let's match. We have a orange juice. We have an orange juice. Orange juice is what? Is a liquid. Orange juice is a liquid. We have ice cubes. Ice cubes are what? Ice cubes. Ice cubes are solid. Ice cubes are solid. Very easy. Raindrops. This is a raindrop. What are raindrops? Are they solid or liquid or gas? They are liquid. Raindrops are liquid. Let's go to this picture. Bag. What is a bag? Is it liquid or solid or gas? Bags are solid because they have the shape of their own. They have a shape and it doesn't change. This gum bubble, this looks like a balloon, but it's actually a gum bubble. What is it? The air inside the gum bubble. Not the gum bubble itself, the air inside it. What is it? The air inside it. It's a gas. Very easy, it's a gas. Now the final one, we have water vapor. What is a water vapor? Water vapor, because it spreads out and it doesn't have a shape of its own, so we call it a gas. The answer is water vapor is gas. Good, very easy. Let's move on. Circle yes and no. Circle yes or no. We will circle them, okay? A, everything around you is liquid. Everything around you, is it liquid? No, not everything around us is liquid. That's wrong, no. Solid matter keeps its shape. Do solids keep their shape? Yes, that's correct. Solid keeps its shape. That's correct. You can sort solid objects by color, weight, and size. Can you sort solid objects by color, weight, and size? Yes, you can. You can sort any matter by color, weight, and size. Matter that flows is solid. Matter that flows, is it solid? No, it's liquid. This is wrong. Oil doesn't mix with water. Oil, does it mix with water? No, it does not mix with water. But vinegar, yes. But oil, no, it does not. Gas does not have a shape of its own. Gas does not have a shape of its own. That's correct. Yes, it does not have a shape of its own. Okay, next question. This question is very, very easy. Write the 3 states of matter. What are the 3 states of matter? The first one is called solid. The second one is called liquid. Solid, liquid. We have one more left. The third state of matter is called gas. Gas is also a state of matter. So we have solid, liquid, and gas. These are the three states of matter. Now that's it. We solved all the questions. We solved all the questions, but there are some instructions that I want you to follow. Dear students, do not forget to wash your hands frequently, and don't touch your face, don't touch your eyes, don't touch your nose, don't touch your mouth because of the coronavirus. You cannot touch your mouth a lot, okay? Only if it's necessary. So stay home, stay safe, and wash your hands. And good luck. Have a nice time.